Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best linen chest is probably one of the most versatile storage solutions for your home. These chests, also known as blanket boxes, have remained a popular choice for home organization and decor. They not only provide ample storage space but also enhance the aesthetics of any room. Today, we're diving into the world of linen chests, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. SONGMICS MAZIE 43-inch Folding Storage Ottoman. This SONGMICS Ottoman from the MAZIE collection is designed for quick setup. You can easily fold and store it away when not in use, perfect for saving space. With a 35-gallon volume, this storage bench offers plenty of space. It includes a removable divider to keep your items organized, or store larger items with ease. Built with premium materials, this ottoman can support up to 660 pounds. It's a reliable seating and storage solution that will last. The ottoman features a chic linen look surface and elegant tufting. The double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide lasting comfort. This folding ottoman is a storage box, footstool, and even a coffee table. It fits seamlessly into any room to meet your various needs. What we like? This ottoman is incredibly easy to set up, folding out in seconds. It offers a generous 35-gallon storage capacity, perfect for keeping your space tidy. If you're looking for a stylish and functional storage solution that's also easy to assemble, this is the one for you. What people say? This worked out perfectly. It is super easy to use and put together. It is heavy and secure and works great. The trunk is oddly easy to assemble, holds a lot of stuff, and makes for a surprisingly sturdy place to sit. Number 4. Otto and Ben 30 Storage Ottoman. This ottoman features a comfort foam padded top, providing a comfortable seating experience. The sturdy setup structure ensures the base remains stable. The lid swings open on either side, offering easy access to the storage space. You don't need to clear the top every time you open it. It's designed to fold into a flat board for easy storage. Setting it up is super simple, just unfold, position the base, and cover. This ottoman offers spacious hidden storage for your belongings. When not in use, it can be folded compactly and stored away, perfect for any bedroom. Made with medium-density fiberboard, this ottoman provides sturdy stability. It's built to last and withstand daily use. What we like? The smart lift top makes accessing your items a breeze, opening from either side. It's designed to fold flat for easy storage when not in use. If you are tight on space and need a versatile ottoman, this is a great choice. What people say? It's multi-purpose. I use it regularly as a footrest and storage container. This thing can hold blankets for days. It is fairly rigid and I have never worried about anybody sitting on it. It folds up. I can't really expand much more on this point. Finally and most importantly, this is the least expensive piece of furniture I own, yet one of the best. It really is a solid value, and I would recommend it to anyone who needs an ottoman, some storage, or just a simple accent piece. Number 3. BELLEZE 47 Linen Storage Ottoman. This BELLEZE ottoman is crafted with solid wood, plywood, soft linen, and high-density foam. It provides a great seating experience with a thick cushion, and the sturdy legs add stability. It can easily hold up to 300 pounds. This ottoman features hidden storage to reduce mess and solve storage problems. It provides extra space for pillows, blankets, clothes, and more. It's the perfect addition to any room needing both storage and style. The clean-lined rectangular design blends classic and modern styles. It's covered with plush linen upholstery and tufted button detailing. Safety hinges ensure the lid stays open, preventing slamming. This ottoman is a stylish storage solution, adding extra seating and helping keep your home organized. It's perfect for the hallway, as a footstool, or at the end of a bed, complementing your living room decor. Weighing only 26.5 pounds but with a 300 pounds capacity, you can easily move it anywhere. The linen surface ensures it will last a long time. Enjoy your life in style with this ottoman. What we like? This ottoman is crafted with premium materials and features a button-tufted design. It provides hidden storage, perfect for keeping your living space organized. If you like a stylish and comfortable ottoman with ample storage, you should consider this. What people say. The comforter is a great weight and very soft. The sheets are soft and wash up beautifully. The quality of the product is excellent. Number 2. SIMPLIHOME Avalon 48 Storage Ottoman Bench. This ottoman bench from SIMPLIHOME is perfect for any room. It offers a stylish way to store your belongings while adding a touch of elegance to your space. Upholstered in a durable slate gray linen look fabric, it's designed to withstand daily use. The fabric is both beautiful and practical, making it a great choice for your home. Inside, you'll find a large storage compartment. It's ideal for keeping blankets, pillows, or any other items you want to keep out of sight. The ottoman features a child safety hinge to prevent the lid from slamming shut. This ensures safety for your children and peace of mind for you. The main body comes fully assembled, so all you need to do is attach the legs. You'll be enjoying it in minutes. Use it as a bench in your entryway, a footrest in your living room, or extra seating in any room. It's a versatile piece that complements any decor. What we like. This ottoman offers a large interior storage space, perfect for storing blankets and pillows. It features a child safety hinge to prevent slamming. If you have a family and need a safe and stylish storage solution, you should consider this. What people say. The bench is sturdy, easy to move around, stays up safely when opened, provides extra seating, and is beautiful. Looks good, no blemish, excellent construction, works flawlessly. Delivered earlier than expected. Exactly as described. Great color and storage. Number 1. Youdesure 30 Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. This ottoman offers a generous 23-gallon storage space, perfect for storing pillows, books, or anything else you need to keep out of sight. It's a versatile piece that helps you keep your living space organized and clutter-free. Setting up this folding ottoman is incredibly easy, taking just seconds. When not in use, it folds up for convenient storage, making it ideal for smaller spaces or those who frequently rearrange their furniture. The ottoman is padded with high-density foam, providing a comfortable seating experience. The double-stitched button design adds a touch of elegance and enhances the overall aesthetic of the storage bench. Measuring 30 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 15 inches high, this ottoman can hold up to 350 pounds. It's built to last and provide reliable support for everyday use. We are committed to providing you with the best service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This ottoman is incredibly easy to assemble, ready in seconds. It's padded with high-density foam for comfortable seating. If you need a versatile ottoman that's both easy to set up and comfortable, this is a great option. What people say. Bought for grandson's toys. Was so surprised with the superior quality and ease of assembly. Collapsible walls base bottom insert to make it non-collapsible, pop on the lid. Simple as that. Use the storage space for printing supplies. 2 seconds to put together. Not a fancy bench but works as I intended. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.